Local businesses across Fairfax County have had to reimagine the way that they do business during this time of COVID-19. From restaurants like this one to retailers to auto stores, everyone is always concerned. Are they providing the best health and safety practices that they can for their customers and for their staff? Some of those basics include masks and other protective equipment that might be needed depending on your line of work. It includes social distancing. Here at this restaurant, you can see that all of the tables are spread out, and they actually on weekends turn their parking lot into part of the restaurant to ensure that people can spread out and meet those guidelines as well. Hand washing, all of these basic behaviors to make sure people can stay safe.
So certainly, in the middle of March when the world changed, pivot was the first word that came to my mind. You have a small business and you have to continue somehow. Well, as far as, the requirements are good and stringent and very, very helpful. Starting with the social distancing of staff and guests. Masks, gloves, shields for all staff that are interacting with guests. Signs in the bathroom, only one person in at a time. Bathroom attendants, sanitize the bathroom after every use. As a chef and a restaurant owner, I'm used to running a happy place. That's what restaurants are. And it's got to be a happy place for your staff and comfortable for your staff. So since I've been running restaurants for 20-something years, I've always had a policy of, if you're sick, I'll pay you anyway. And that just makes someone comfortable to, before, tell me you're sick, before I have to see it, and not feel like you're going to miss a paycheck. And now I take the temperature of everyone when they come in. People tell me all the time, I feel safe. And it's funny, it's not something a chef ever needed to hear. Food good, that was really nice. Great service, that was great. Now it's a third one. I feel safe.
For more information about Fairfax County, you can go to the Fairfax County website and find information about our COVID-19 emergency response, health information, and business information as well. And then at the state level, Virginia also has a wide variety of resources for its residents as well as its local businesses.